Okay, here is your 3-minute, less than 3-minute English tip for lesson 8. Tenses. That is one thing that is hard in English is, I think all languages, learning the tenses that there is present, like if we're talking right now, past, something that's already happened, and future, what will happen in the future. And with verbs, you need to make sure that depending on the tense will determine which verb you use or how you change the verb. So this chart, I'm linking this website in under my video, but what it does is just show you that these get kind of confusing, but present simple, so there's simple verbs like I work, okay? And I'm just going to focus on this middle column. There's some that are another form of present, like happening right now, is I am working. Then we have past simple. It's already happened. I worked yesterday, or I worked last year. Past, once again, still in the past, so you don't need to necessarily worry about the continuous or progressive, but I was working. So those two are ways to talk about work in the past. We already did it. Future, I will work, I'm going to work. And then you have these others, present perfect, past perfect. I wouldn't get so confused with those, but if we can just first start with learning that verbs will change either to I am working or I work to I worked last night or I was working last night, and in the future. So I'm linking this under this video so you can get to this website that has these charts for a little more information. Let me know what other questions you have after with tenses as you go to use tenses correctly. So there you go. Bye-bye.